Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are well. So our today topic of discussion is cell cycle. In this video lecture and in the upcoming video lecture, I am here to provide all the information and the very brief information regarding the cell cycle. So, and cell cycle include most of its topic, which are what are their different phases, what is cell division, mitosis, which include mitosis, meiosis, right, interphase, right. So in the pockets of video I'll give you briefly explanation about the cell cycle and a very informatory this is going to be, and my next video is going to be very informatory lectures. So let's begin with the topic. First of all, the term, focus on this term. What is cell cycle? Whenever we need to study, whenever we are going to study any topic or anything, right, what is the purpose of that? We need to know that, we have to know that what is the purpose of that. So what is the purpose behind the study of cell cycle in our studies, right? So first of all, what is cell cycle? Like, it is the process, it is the arrangement, it is the process where growth and division, like here is the cycle type diagrammatic portion, right? So here is the growth, and the in mitosis portion here the division occur, where we can call it cell division, where the parent cell give rise to two daughter cell with their different genomes, right? So in cell cycle, why our body is going to perform cell cycle? So the answer is that whenever we got an injury, right, whenever we got an injury, so our cell got damaged at that place. To fill up the place or to heal that place in our body, we need cell division, or we need new cell in that region, right? If our cell could not divide and could not create new cells, our body could never heal, and there will be no new cell at that portion of the body, right? So this is the reason why we need the cell division. So what is cell? This is the reason why we need cell division, and the whole process where growth, how the phases begins, how the cell division begin to perform at the different phases of cell cycle, like G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, and finally the M phase, where the parent cell divides in the daughter cells, right? So we like cell division is the process, right? It is the process by which parent duplicates its genome and leads to the formation of two daughter cells, right? So we can say it in another form, like reproduction of all living organism. In this, right, it is also we also need it during the reproduction, right? Cell division allow organism to transfer their genetic material. This is the cell division definition, that cell division allow organism to transfer their genetic material to offsprings, or the one generation to another, and it also occur during the reproduction in all living organism, and this process is performed in multicellular organism like eukaryotic organism, right? So let's begin with the different phases of cell cycle. Like here is the phase which is known as interphase, and interphase includes different phases of cell cycle, like G1 phase. G1 means gap, G include gap 1 phase, S phase like synthesis phase, and gap 2 phase which is G2 phase, and M phase is known as mitosis phase, right? So in brief introduction of interphase, but how we define the interphase? That is the time. It is the time during which the cell is preparing for their division, by undergoing both cell growth and DNA replication. And one more thing is, like, what this here is the main purpose. What is the main purpose of cell cycle? The main purpose of cell cycle is DNA replication. So why we need DNA is the most important part, most important thing in our body, like, right? So DNA, a cell, right? Suppose there is a cell. Its main cell has main thing of the cell is DNA, right? DNA has a cell has a nucleus has a DNA, right? And chromosomes that pass from one generation to another, right? So for that reason we need DNA during the formation of two daughter cell, because both of these daughter cell need their separate DNA, right? So we also need to duplicate the genome for the daughter cell, right, during this phase, mitosis. So the synthesis of DNA is started from this reason, late G1 phase, right? So it prepare itself for G1 phase, prepare itself for DNA replication, right? So like this is GAP1 phase, synthesis phase, G2 phase means GAP2 phase, and M phase is mitosis phase. So from the beginning, let's begin with the beginning, G1 phase, that is GAP1 phase. So GAP1 phase, how we define it? So here is its little definition, that end of mitosis. This is mitosis region, so this is mitosis region. Here is the end of mitosis occur and start of DNA replication. Here is the DNA replication start. So what it means is that S phase is the DNA synthesis phase, and so DNA replication is going to start in the late G1 phase, right? So this is GAP1 phase. Next is S phase, that is DNA synthesis occur in the S phase, and G2 phase is also followed by DNA replication, but the completion of DNA replication and the start of mitotic prophase. Why prophase? Because mitosis have there are so many phases, not so many, but prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, right? So these are 4 phases which occur in mitosis, which we studied later in our next video lecture, that after the G2 phase there is a phase, there is next phase is known as M phase, that is mitosis phase, and initiation of mitotic prophase began in the end of G2 phase, like late G2 phase, right? So this whole process, this whole interphase process takes 24 hours to perform, as G1 phase take 11 hours, which is the longest time period of the interphase, right? S phase take 8 hours, G2 phase take 4 hours, and M phase take 1 hour. The shortest time period occur in the M phase. So there is another phase which is G0 phase. So G0 phase is like a resting state of the cells, where whenever cell is not going to perform any action, right? Whenever cell is at resting state, that stage is known as G0 phase. It is also known as quiescence phase, like whenever body do not need to divide their cell, the cell are placed in the resting state here for the longer time period, right? So this is the purpose of cell cycle. This is the purpose of cell division, and this whole process is need to perform because our body need to produce new cell after the damage of old ones, right? So as I can make it as an introductory video, right? So in the next video lecture we are and one more thing is, the DNA, that duplicated DNA, I forgot about that. The thing is, the DNA that is synthesized in the F phase is condensed, right? Is present in the condensed form here, right? Is present in the condensed form here, and in the mitosis, mitosis prophase, it began to decondense. In mitosis phase, it is not going to this phase is not going to make a new DNA, right? These are that DNA which synthesized in S phase is now present in the condensed form. It's 100 times condensed, means it is a lot condensed. It is present in a very much condensed form in the cell, right? And when to decondense the DNA, it decondenses in the prophase, right, which we study later in the mitosis, right? So this is the little introductory video about the cell cycle and cell division. So in next video lecture we'll briefly explain the mitosis, and I'll make a separate video for mitosis and meiosis. So I hope you like the video lecture. Thank you.